Hi guys, I'm Dennis and today I will show you our SOLIDGrip 5-axis centering vices. Among many advantages, the SOLIDGrip vise offers improved spindle treatment for less wear, post-oxidized surfaces and optimized chip flow. But most importantly, the shape of the vise has been reduced to the essentials to give you optimum accessibility on your 5-axis milling machine. And it's precisely because of the accessibility that the many different sizes of the vise exist, from 46mm to 125mm, and the right lengths for your components. This means that in addition to the 96mm grid, there is also a 52mm grid to keep the interfering contour small for the small vices. The small threaded holes and the smooth clamping surfaces give you the freedom to make small adjustments, such as reduce clamping depth quite easily yourself. Of course, we also offer our zero-point technology and stamping technology, which together enable efficient production. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, your Dennis.